AT&T Premier University. Live training sessions online can help you quickly learn how to get the most out of Premier. Enjoy live online group sessions where you can ask questions and receive the instructor's answers in real time. Courses cover everything from Premier Basics to tips for experienced administrators. Learn how to streamline Premier shopping and purchasing, how to view, analyze, and pay your bill, how to run reports on your AT&T services, and more. Get started today. It's easy to register. Go to businessdigital.att.com/trainingregistration. On the Digital Training Registration Center page, scroll down, expand AT&T Premier Wireless Services, and click Register Now. On the Premier Registration Center welcome page, expand AT&T Premier Wireless Services. You'll find informative, convenient, time-saving courses that fit your busy schedule. Choose the course you want to attend, select the session date and time, and complete a simple registration form. We'll send you a confirmation email and a reminder before the classroom bell rings. AT&T Premier University. Class is now in session.